Hey everybody, what's up? So today I'm going to be sharing with you my go-to super easy, super quick avocado pasta recipe. I know I usually go for baking videos, that was kind of my thing, but I decided to share this with you today. So I hope you enjoy it, and let's go ahead and get started. So the amount I was making today was for me and my parents, so I made 400 grams of spaghetti. So this is just the amount that I made for that amount of pasta, so you might want to half it, quarter it, depending on how much you would like to eat. And also avocado, the color turns really bad really fast, so I recommend adding a lot of lime or just making this the day of that you're gonna eat it and only keep it until like the next day, or else it's gonna look really unappetizing. So as for the ingredients, I used 1 1/2 of an avocado, 1/4 cup of parsley, 2 cloves of garlic, the juice of half of a lime, 1/3 cup Parmesan cheese, and some Himalayan black salt, normal salt and pepper, and a 1/3 cup of milk. So I'd say the hardest part about this recipe is really just measuring, which is really not that hard. You just need a food processor and you literally just add everything in there and you combine it. So you kind of just keep dipping your finger in there, taste testing it, adding more salt, adding more cheese, whatever it may be, however you like it, and just keep adding until you are satisfied with the end result. And then you just combine it with the spaghetti and you just mix it all up, add whatever toppings you like. You can add some fresh parsley maybe, you could get creative with it. I added some little cherry tomatoes on the top to make it a little bit more cute, I love tomatoes with avocado, so you can do whatever you like. And I promised you guys a quick and easy recipe, so that's pretty much the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you so much for watching, and yeah, new cover coming soon. My song comes out next week. Follow me on Instagram, follow me on SoundCloud, all that good stuff. Okay, I'm gonna go now. Have a great day.